Parser, the functioning of parser. The process of deriving the string is known as derivation, or we can say parsing. The process of deriving the string is known as derivation or parsing. This is the functioning of parser. Derivation can be done in two ways. Derivation can be done in two ways. The first one is top down and the second one is bottom up. So what is functioning of top down parser? Top down parser, what it do? Top down parser construct tree from the root and proceed to the children. Construction of a string start from the root and proceeds to children. How it works? Let's understand with the example. Suppose we have this grammar. Suppose we have this grammar and we want this string A, B, B, C, D, E. Suppose we have this grammar and we want this string. So with the help of top-down parser, we make this string. So start with the start symbol, because as it says, top-down parser start construction from start and go to the children. So first take start as, then what the production we have, A, B, C. So write A, B, E, write this. So because what we want, A, B, B, C, D, E, so we get A and E. B, B, C, D is left. So what else we can do? We know as we have production A tends to ABC, so we can write here ABC. So we write A, B, C. Now what we need A, B, B. So first A we have, second B we have, but this B we don't have, and we know A tends to B also, so we write the production A tends to B here. So what we get, A, B, B, C and E we have, but D we don't have, so B tends to D is also here, so we write D here. So this is the string we want, and we get with this production A, B, B, C, D, E. So in that way we can explore the string. So but the difficulty with top-down parser is occur when difficulty occur with top-down parser when a variable contain more than one choice. More than one choice means choosing the character production as we can see here, A tends to A, B, C and B also. So which one we should choose first, that is the problem. And because S, A and B are the variable, so what production we should choose so that we get the correct string. So in that regard, when a variable contains more than one choice, then choosing a character, which character we should choose first, that is the problem with top-down parser. So what is the solution for this? The first solution we can say, to solve this problem, use first and follow. The first solution of this problem is use first and follow. What is first and follow? We will see it later, we will learn it later. And what is the second solution? We can say which choice will replace to production to get correct result. If we use DFA, use DFA because it provide all choice and give the result with best answer. Use DFA because it provide all choices and give result with best answer. So these two methods by which if we solve this, then when a variable contains more than one choice, and then we get the solution for this. So this is the function of top-down parser.